What's good, everybody? It's your boy Rob, and I'm back with another quick video. And I have here a pretty much a I want to call it like a consumer tip. Now, I know a lot of people out there. You got Mac owners who like to watch my channels. You got people who are PC owners who watch my channels. But there's a piece of tech that I think everybody should actually have on their desktop, whether they're using a laptop or a much larger computer. Now, the tech I'm talking about here is the Western Digital MyBook high capacity HDD backup storage. Now, I think why this is important is just for the simple fact that there are so many of us who just conduct day-to-day business, whether you're doing your taxes, whether you're a creator like myself. There's so many reasons why I think people should have a second and in some cases a third line of backup for their personal and vacation and whatever type of business you're in. I've been using Western Digital my books for well over probably about getting close to a decade of using this as my storage of choice. Now, off the top though, it is compatible with Windows 10 Plus, and it is compatible with Mac OS 11 and above. You can secure this with password protection. You can also add special type of security as far as just protecting it, as far as if you want to send the information from somebody, you can actually send it, password secure, protected, where nobody can pretty much unravel what you're doing. Now, on board within this box, you do have desktop hard drives set up. You got a USB-A, which only puts out about 5 gigabytes of storage, which isn't the best, but for the price, it'll do. It does come with software to manage the actual disk and help you with your password, and it has an AC adapter. This does retail, I think this one at the time of this video, I paid $179 for this, but I do have an 8 terabyte hard drive right here. So if you want to go down to 2 terabytes, which if you're, like I said, if you're just a regular everyday person, something like a 500 gigabyte, 2 terabyte setup will last you for a very long time. Again, these things are good for backing up vacation pictures, you name it. This is the product to have. So I'm gonna do a quick unboxing, and I'm gonna show you what this details. This is pretty much your AC adapter. And the actual book itself does have a padded bottom on it, so you don't have to worry about it getting damaged or anything. So that's pretty cool. And you have a 5 gigabit port, and this other special port that you attach to the back of the Western Digital MyBook. All right, so I'm about to run a quick speed test with the Western Digital MyBook and show you what type of speeds I get here. First of all, let me set up a screenshot. All right, let me go ahead and get this set up. All right, let's find the drive. All right, got that set up. So, I mean, the write speed is pretty much what I expect, for 5 gigabits per second type of system. Run another test. See if we get any difference. So these are pretty decent speeds for a HDD drive. You know, you're not nowhere come close to the speeds of a SSD. The test file size it's writing is a 1 gigabyte test file. So it's showing you how fast it can write something that's with a codec type of 10-bit and at least 1 gigabyte file. So that pretty much does it for this quick, I guess I want to say, because quick video here, let you guys know things that I like to use to back up things that I produce around here, as far as videos, vacation pictures, what have you. And also, as a quick tip, having something like this where you can offload information onto these type of hard drive storages can save space on your laptops or your desktop computers and make them perform much faster. The more data that gets on your things like laptops and what have you, they do have a tendency of slowing down. And if something was to ever happen to the drive system on your laptop or desktop, a lot of the information is pretty much lost forever. So keep that in mind. If you like this video, thumbs up. If you want to pick one of these up, I will have a link for you down below. And other than that, catch everybody in the next video. I'm out.